In this video, you'll learn how to crop your image to a specific size in Gimp. First, open the Downloads folder to locate the image you want to edit. Next, open the Tools menu and select Transform Tools to access the options that let you adjust and crop your image as needed. Then, open the Tools menu again, select the Layer panel, and use the slider to fine-tune your selection area. Now, go to the Image menu and click Crop to Selection to crop the image exactly to the selected area. You've now learned how to crop images precisely in Gimp.